Hello everyone, myself Professor Gokul Patil. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this training video, we will talk about the introduction of data structure. Data structure is a way to store and organize the data in computer so that it can be used efficiently. Data structure is not a language. It is a set of algorithms which you can implement in any programming language. In C and C++, we have to write the code to implement all these algorithms. While in the framework of .NET in Java, there is inbuilt classes of linear and non-linear data structures, so we can directly use it in .NET in Java. But in C and C++, we have to implement. Now we will see the details of data structure. The data structure is categorized into primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. In the primitive data structure, integer, character, float, double and pointers. We will see one by one everything in the primitive data structure. While in non-primitive data structure, it is categorized into linear and non-linear data structure. As the word linear means the sequentially all the data is organized. Non-linear data structure means the information can be accessed through the address. We will see that also. In linear data structure, we will see array, different types of array, one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional. We will see the implementation of this arrays. List, it's a linked list, which is a single linked list, double linked list and circular linked list. Third is stack, in that we will see single stack and multiple stack. Then queue as a linear data structure, which consists of different types of queue, simple queue, circular queue, double-ended queue and the priority queue. Coming towards the non-linear data structure, which we can access through the relationship or through the address, that is tree, graph and the hashing. All these data structure have the certain operations that we have to perform, like first one is create, second one is insert, then delete and then update. So we'll see all these operations and implementation of the data structure in the next training video. So keep watching all the video in sequence. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.